Hi, good morning. Good morning to everyone. My name is Suresh. So, working as a lecturer in Government Polytechnic, Jogupet, in Mechanical Engineering Department. Uh, Today we discuss about in topic fourth semester basic manufacturing technology. Its code is 18M304C. Right now we discuss about milling and gear making topic. Today, uh, also honor before first of all, so what is the milling, right? And what is gear making? In this completion of this slides, we able to complete the what is the basic milling operation, what are the differentiate milling, turning and tapping, shaping operations, and know the working principle of milling machines. In this presentation, let's me first of all we need to know the first of all we need to know the uh, how much what is milling on or before we need to know the conventional milling, conventional machining, and second one is the unconventional machining. So first one is the conventional machining. So in conventional machining process, we are going to discuss about what is the first of all conventional machining means. The workpiece and cutting tool both are contacted. So workpiece and cutting tool both are contacted and material will be removed from the workpiece is the process is it is a one of the conventional machining process. So generally we know the basic best example is the turning operation. We know turning machine, drilling machine. So these are the completely we know the everything. Again, second thing is the unconventional machining process. Unconventional machining process, the workpiece and cutting tool both are not contacted. Cutting tool and workpiece both are not contacted, but material will be removed from the workpieces. There is a best example you are already discussed, already studied in previous semester. Laser beam machining process, abrasive jet machining process, right? These are the best example. Process are the unconventional machining process. In this connection, in next, first of all, milling. Next thing is the in conventional process milling machine. So first of all, milling is a machine is a using for the to utilize it for the machining operation. So honor before what is machining, you need to know the we need to know the what is machining. Machining is nothing but to remove the excess material from the workpieces with help of a cutting tool. So we can call it as a machining. So how much amount of material to be removed, which type of tool are using, and next one which type of machine we are using. This is the process secondary. Honor before you need to know the what is what is machining process. Machining is the process of removing the excess material from the workpieces. In any manufacturing process we can observe we need to only remove the excess material from the workpieces. You can take any lathe operation, tapping operation, drilling operation. So you can take any type of operation. So always it's a concern only for the removing the excess material from the workpieces. So in which way is the secondary? In which way we are removing the material? How much amount of material removing? Which type of shape is producing is a secondary. But on or before you need to know the what is milling. So what is milling? What is machining? And then next one is the milling process. So milling is one of the conventional process, conventional manufacturing process utilizing machine. And second one, it is using for the uh, versatile performer. So versatile performer means versatile. What is the meaning of versatile? Versatile is a nothing but to many number. Versatile means many number of ways we can using the milling machine. Many number of ways means many operations. Each and every machine are designed or produced for the only single purpose or little bit to 2 3 operation purpose only. But whenever produced of a lathe machine, that is using for the to manufacture to producing the nearly 14 types of operations we can produce with help of milling machine. That's why we can call it as a it is a versatile performer. So versatile means many number of operations. What are the operations is the secondary. In next classes we can discuss easily. Right, Anar, before first we know the first of all we know the first of all what is machining, what is the milling operation, and next one is the we discuss first of all milling and gear making topic. On or before we need to know this what I am told up to now, it is just remind it. Then next thing in this completion we need to know the these type of what are the objectives for this class. First of all, define the basic milling operation. Next one, differentiate milling, turning and shaping operations. Right, know the working principle of machine. Right, next one is the classify the milling machines. On or before, first of all, what is the define milling operation? Define the basic milling. Basic milling operation is nothing but it is using for the machining operations. In machining operations, what will happening? Always in any machine you can consider workpieces are moved to the cutter or cutter is moved to the workpiece. We can observe in turning operation. Workpiece is held in between the two centers. It revolves its own axis within a high amount of speed. The cutting tool is moved to the cutter. Cutting tool is moved to the cutter nearer to the already contacted to the workpiece. It will be remove the maximum amount of material from the workpieces. It produces only cylindrical component. Right, you can got it. So what I am telling, so first of all you have to know the what is turning operation, and next one is the shaping operation. In shaping operation, you know the only cutting tool is fed at one place, so it will be placed at one place. It will be revolves at one axis some places. The workpiece is moved to the cutter. Workpiece is moved to the cutter. So always cutter will be rotated its own axis at some area, and cutter is workpiece is moved to the. So with an arrangement of table movements, like table will be passes in horizontal direction, so and vertical direction and direction. So the workpiece is moved to the cutter. Just like in this connection, and here is the what is the milling operation. Milling machine consisting of table will be provided, and the table saddle will be provided. On top of saddle we can place the table will be provided. Table is always it has a three directions. One is the longitudinal, one is the cross, third one is the vertical. Longitudinal, cross and vertical, three directions. In simple way we need to know the simple way means to producing to using in only of x direction, y direction and z direction. In three directions of table movements will be provided in milling operation. So that is the best performance. Then next one is to know the working principle. Working principle, always cutter is held on arbor unit. Arbor is nothing but one of the long length of shaft to holding of cutter, milling cutter holding purpose we are using. And next one, then workpiece always fed to the cutter. Always fed to the cutter. What will happening? So workpiece it move to the cutter. Then next, what are the classifications of machines? So on or before next, we can observe only in machining operation. What will happen in milling operations? In machining operation, in which the work is fed against the revolving cutting tool, right? So the observe in figure easily. So cutter is provided, milling cutter, and next is work is bottom side placed workpiece, and feeding is opposite direction to the cutter, right? That but workpiece cutting tool always placed at one place only. Work in only workpiece is moved to the against the cutter. So always you can observe in previous slide, you know the what is in previous what will happening, only in previous operation what will happening, only workpiece can observe in machining operation in which work is fed against a revolving cutter. Always workpiece is revolving cutter. So that is the main thing, right? Then next thing, these are the milling cutter. You can observe milling cutter. So milling cutter is provided, is acting as a cutting tool, right? It is a consisting of number of sharp edges will be provided. It is one of the multi-point cutting. How we are considering multi-point cutting tool? It's the cutter consisting of number of sharp edges will be provided. So sharp edges always a number of sharp edges. Any cutter have only single teeth, we can call it as a single point cutting. But in milling cutter has a number of teeth will be provided for the cutting purpose. We can call it as the milling cutter, right? You can observe. Then next one, so what are the main milling features are there? Milling cutter revolves at a high speeds, right? And having milling cutting edges. Next, cutter is held on a horizontal arbor so that to avoiding the vibrations, right? To observe, right? Next, work is clamped to the table rigidity. So work always holding on table. So within a high rigidity it will be utilizing for the work always provided for the high rigidity. Then next thing, so what will happen in next, you can observe main features these are the, and next features also there. Removes metal rated fast rate, fine surface finishing we can get with help of milling machine. Closer dimension accuracy means we can get the maximum amount of material will be removed from the workpieces, and as well as, so what will happen, how much amount of accuracy we need. So that much amount of accuracy we can get with help of machines. In conventional process we can't get the perfect amount of perfect accuracy we can't get, but with help of milling machine we can get the closer dimensions also we can get. Next, gear can handle both cylindrical and flat surfaces, right? The always any machine utilizing for the only single purposes generally, but in milling machine, so what we can handle the both the cylindrical and flat workpieces also we can produce with help of. And next one, gear cutting operations is possible. So gear cutting is the operation means, what is the main function of gear? We need to know the first of all gear main function, to transmit the motion one shaft to another shaft, from one shaft to another shaft, only utilizing further to transferring the motion only without any losses. How much amount of power will be generated at one shaft, it is directly transferred to the another shaft with help of gears. We have one more mediators are there, belt drive, chain drive is also there, but gear is the simplest way and nearer to the easiest way to transfer. Maximum amount of power will be transferred from one shaft to another shaft. So gears also we can produce with help of gear cutting also, cutting operation also possible with help of milling machine, and more dynamically balanced. Maximum balancing is more dynamical it will be provided. Then what are the you can observe next one is the figure, which type of operations we can perform in milling. We can observe first figure consisting cutting tool is provided on workpieces. Cutter will be it is acting as a material creator. Maximum amount of material will be provided, and it is using for the slotting type of operation. Observe slotting, not groove, slotting type of operation. So total maximum amount of material will be removed from the workpieces just in slot way. Then second also using for the to producing of steps type of arrangement whenever which type of operations we need. This type of cutters also, milling cutters also available. That's why we can call it as a versatile performer. Nearly 14 types of operations we can perform with help of milling machine. That is the main thing. So that is the main thing we can observe. Then next one, again cutters, different type of cutters. One it is a helical cutter, and next one plain milling cutter. So always we can cutters observe, always the teeth of cutting teeth always it is parallel to the base always, but here also some amount of angle of teeth will be provided. In first one you can observe helical cutter, it's a consisting of teeth will be provided, but it will be provided with an angle, so we can call it as a helical cutter. The angle of helical cutter more than the 45 degrees to 56 degrees angle. The angle of teeth maximally for more than the 45 to 56 degrees angle of teeth will be provided. So what is the need for the to producing the type of angle of teeth will be providing means maximally to utilizing for the to removing the maximum amount of material, and as well as very high amount of finishing we can get with help of this type of cutters. Next, what is the working principle? Working principle is work is always clamped to the table, right? Work is always moved to the cutting tool, right? Table adjusted with help of directions in 3 directions. Cutter is a drum or disc type of cutting edges produced. You can observe more complete clamped work is fed against revolving cutter from one end, right? Next one, table is adjusted vertically for both depth of cut. In both depth of cut, table will be adjusted. How much amount of depth of cut we need? How much amount of depth of cut we need? That much amount of easiest way. Then next one, cutter is a drum type or disc type. We can observe in previous we are observed cutter will be in the shape of round cylindrical component. So cutter is a drum or disc type with cutting edges evenly distributed on its periphery. So cutting edges are distributed in periphery. So easiest way to using purpose. Then working principle. So table feeding, observe the feeding of table maximum important thing. So how much feedings are available? So table feed is longitudinal, cross and vertical, 3 directions. Already in previous I told that. So what are the 3 in easiest way? We know that x direction, y direction, z direction, but that is a wrong method for expressing methods. You can observe we can call as a longitudinal, cross and vertical. These are the methods. Then next one, metal removal in the form of small sized chips formation. Material will be removed from the workpieces. Then like a cutter revolves in one direction only when the work is fed from both sides. So cutter revolves in one direction. Cutter always revolves in one direction only, while the workpiece fed from the both ends from while placing of workpieces in from both the ends, but cutter will be moved in one direction only, right? Then next, what are the classifications are there? Classifications generally we have a 4 or 5 types of classifications are there. 4 types of classifications are there. So first one is the column and knee type. Second one is the fixed bed type of next one planar type of. Third one is the special purpose type of milling machines are there. In this first one, column and knee type of, again dividing into 5 types. So first one again, so what are they means? Well, it's a hand milling machine, right? Plain milling machine, universal milling machine, omni universal milling machine, and finally vertical milling machines. We know the how many types of column and knee type of milling machines are there, right? So that is the main thing. So first one is the column and knee type of milling machines are, first one is a hand milling machine, second one is the plain milling machine, third one is the universal milling machine, fourth one is the omni universal, Fifth one is a vertical milling machine. These are the 5 types of milling operations are there. That is the main thing. Next one is the second type of milling machine. In second type of classification lo only fixed bed type milling machine. Fixed bed, and bed means bed will be provided in fixed bed. Next third one, planar type of milling machines. Already we know the planing milling machine. Planing machines, already table will be moved, cutter will be placed at one place. Just like here also, planar type of milling machines also there. Next one, special type of milling machines. Fourth one is the, so what are the 4 types? One is the rotary table. So table will be revolved in rotary motion, right? Next to planetary table, right? Second one is the planetary table. Third one is the cam milling machine, and fourth one is the profile milling machine. These are the 4 types of milling machines are there for to utilizing in. So actually we have actually 4 types of classifications are there. First one is the column and knee type. Second one is the fixed bed type. Third one is the planar. The fourth one is the special purpose. In that first one, column and knee type of again dividing into 5 types. So what are the means? Hand milling machine, plane milling machine, universal, omni universal, again vertical milling machines. Again here also fourth one, special purpose milling machines, again 4 types. So what are the means? Rotary table milling machine, planetary table, cam milling machine, and profile milling machine is the, these are the types of. So classification, in classification, detailed report of hand. First one is the hand milling machine. So cutter revolves on a arbor by power. In hand milling machine, what will happen? Cutter will be placed on arbor unit. So arbor by, it is operated by operated or revolving by with help of only power operated. Next one, table is fed manually against the cutter. So in this table always fed against to the cutter in manually only. So manually means while utilizing it with the help of human being, you to utilizing for the by feeding of cutting workpiece to the cutter. Next one is size of the machine is simplified, right? Next one is the size of the machine also simplified. It means limited. Simplified means limited. It means small in size. You can observe figure. You can observe figure. Next one is the slide is a figure. You can observe. So it's a consisting of a table, right? Next one, hand milling machine. Next one, hand will be provided. Next one, each and everything will be provided, right? Next one, observe a plane milling machine. So in plane milling machine, what will happening? More rigid and heavier in construction, heavy in size. Table is given 3 directions. Table consisting of 3 directions. Table moves are either manual or power. Both the choices are available, right? That is the table movements in manual or power, capable to handle in huge sized jobs. So it is a capable of machining is huge means heavy size. So it is a handle to the huge sized, heavy size of components also provided, right? Capable for huge sized. Then next one is the plane milling machine. Figure is available. You can observe once. So it is a bottom place which will be provided is a base. In that provided only column will be provided, knee will be provided, and then next to the knee, above the knee, saddle, above the saddle, table will be provided. These are the mainly utilizing. So where we are placing arbor is using for the to holding of cutter, milling cutter. We can use it for the holding of cutter only. So that is the main thing. So that is the main purpose we are using to holding purpose. Then next one is the column will be provided. We can observe first classification of cutting tool, milling machines. That is the column and knee type of. In this observe plane milling machine is the one of the plane milling machine is the column and knee type of milling machine. So you can observe. So what we are observing, column is provided and knee also provided. So these are the separate zoner for the producing. Then next, what are the in plane milling machine? So what are the merits? So in plane milling as a column and knee, Observe next column houses cutting tool, holding mechanism as well as as the knee. And knee supports the workpiece table, the work holding and feeding mechanism also provided. Knee supports the work table always, right? The work holding feeding mechanism will be providing. So that is the main thing. You can observe it. Base is also provided, and next one also provided. Next thing, the table feed in 3 directions, right? Table feed construction in rigid robust can handle heavy jobs, also can handle heavy jobs with an accuracy also important. Then next one, studying universal mill, similar to it is also similar to the plain milling machine, and except the table feeds. Work table can be swiveled in horizontal plane and fed against the angle to the spindle. So we have one more method. Always we know the only of movements in directions in only longitudinal, cross and vertical. But here also one more movement also provided. Work table can be swiveled, right? Work table can be swiveled in horizontal plane and fed at an angle to the spindle. These are the main thing, right? Next, universal, again continuation. It is intended diversified line of work with an high accuracy machining, right? It can be used as a vertical milling machine with a proper attachment. Attachments also most important thing in milling machine. Always milling machine are using as for the very versatile performer. But here we are using, then one more attachment are used to attach the milling machine. It is a separately part will be attached to that. The operations are increased. So single machine is provided. It is attaching with help of some amount of attachments, right? What will happening? It is a machining with maximum amount of operations we can produce. So adapted to various attachments also provided, adapted to various milling machines. Then next one, figure also observe universal milling machine, right? Next, just it is a compact in size than the plain milling machine, but more accurate, more suitable for tool room work as a special room operation. Cannot handle heavier machining operations. So cannot handle heavier operations means it is using for the in tool rooms separately. Tools reconditioning. What is the tools reconditioning? Already used. Which type of tools are using? Which type of tools are using? The type of tools always resharpening. We need resharpening. So resharpening of tools purpose we are using universal machining process. Right? That is a compact in size and plain milling machine, but more accuracy we can get with help of milling machine, more suitable for the tool room works, special operations like small operations. Then next, you cannot handle heavier machining operations. It cannot be handled because of it is using for the tool room type of operations. Right? Next one is the Omni Universal Milling Machine. It is also one of the tool room machine. Right? In addition to the horizontal swivel, and knee can be swiveled vertical plane. Right? Here in addition to the horizontal swivel, the knee can be swiveled in a vertical plane. So in a vertical plane, so we can use. Then next one, Omni Universal, suitable for more complicated machining operations, machining beyond the reach of universal machine. Right? Perform operations with more precious than universal machine. Performs operations with more precious, very more amount of precious operations we can produce. And next one should be kept in conditioned rooms. Condition means air conditioned rooms. Air conditioned rooms we can produce. Next one, vertical type of milling machines. It is also just like same column type. Again, it is a vertical spindle will be provided. The spindle will be provided in vertical. The spindle head may be swiveled. Which type of head will be provided? It is easiest way to swiveled. Very useful in production operations. generally in vertical milling machine. This is the vertical milling machine you can observe. So first one is the base, second one is the knee, next one is the table, right? Saddle above the table, and next milling head spindle will be provided. Next one is the overarm is the supporting for the cutting tool or heads. Next one column is the total entire supporting for that, right? Table will be, directions will be provided, longitudinal, cross and vertical, three directions table will be moved, right? So this is the operation. Next one, bed type of milling machine. Second one is the more rugged, then column and knee type of milling, not easy as adaptable for variety works. It is not easiest way to adaptable, so it can be have multiple spindles which can be fed vertically and horizontally. Only it is a consisting of more number of heads will be provided, so it can be multiple spindles will be provided to revolving horizontal and workpieces vertical type of operations also we can perform at a time. Table is provided with longitudinal motion. Table is provided with longitudinal motion we can produce. Then next one you can observe bed type of milling machine figure. Once you can observe, bottom is the base is bottom, next table will be provided, right? This is small in size, right? It is a small in size, so that is the main thing. Then next one, planar type of milling machine you can observe, consisting of 4 spindles at each its own drive, just like planar. You have to know idea of planing machine. So that is the main, consisting 4 spindles each with its own drive motor, used high amount of metal, right? So within a high amount of metal, right, for removing purpose, then right, used for high amount of metal removal purpose we are using. Then you can observe figure, which type of figure will be provided. So bottom is the table is placed on its single place. The columns consisting of heads will be cutter heads will be provided. Each cutter head consisting of cutter will be provided. It will be operated in horizontal, again vertical type. These are the main methods. These are the main methods using for that, right? You can observe special purpose machines. Again we are using rotary milling machine, works rotate about vertical table, so vertical table will be provided. Next one is the planetary milling, form milling, external or internal threads of different pitches. Internal threads and external threads also we can produce with a planetary milling machine. With the threads, each and every pitches will be provided. So how can you define pitch? Already you know the gap between the two teeth, how much amount of gap will be maintained in between the two teeth in threads or gears. It will be maintained equally entire total area of gear or pitches threads on each and every side, right? These are the planetary milling machine, external and internal threads producing purpose we are using. Then next one is cam milling machine, right? Used for making profiles. Cam or disc, the movement of table is controlled by the a master cam. Master cam will be provided for the to revolving totally. Then profile milling machines, to for duplicating templates, the cutter movement is regulated vary by the guide pin. The best example is the compass bus stencil is the best example. While writing on A, B, C, D with help of one stencil, it will be written within a same font will be written on paper. So that is the main thing, right? Then next one, these are the mainly utilizing purpose. So we can observe which type of observed various type of milling machines. So already we know what next in the next unit the construction details will be taken. What are the in next? So what are the frequently asked questions in this construction means only what are the list out various types of milling machines availability. What is the different between universal and omni universal milling machines, right? Shortcuts and special purpose milling machines. These are the different type of questions, right? So what we have discussed up to now, what are the mainly discussion of milling operations, what are the relative merits and demerits over turning and shaping methods we are observed, then the working principle of milling machine, and what are the classifications. These are the how many classifications of milling machines are there. So we can only with we know the only with help of these only. I think its class will be very useful to you. I hope so you understand. uh, Thank you, thanks to one and all. Easiest way to uh, once observe each and everything. Right, these are the frequently asked questions. Alright, you can observe. Right, relative merits, demerits. These are the mainly utilizing area. What you discussed. So what is the main function of milling, right? Next one, various types of milling machines, and next thing, what are the classifications of milling machines? How can you classify? What are the operation? Alright, once again I am reminding once again regarding about the first of all, what is the principle of milling? So milling is the process of machining purpose utilizing. It will be used by with help of milling machine. It is a one of the conventional machine. And next one, it is a using for to remove the maximum amount of material from the workpiece. It is a one of the versatile performer, right? Versatile performer. And next one, what are the principle of milling machine? Principle is nothing but workpiece is cutting tool is placed on harbor, right? The milling cutting tool is provided placed on harbor. It is a multi-point cutting tool, right? And next one, it's consisting again it will be placed on harbor unit. Harbor. So what is the main function of harbor? To holding of tool, holding of cutting tool, and to minimizing the vibrations of milling machine. So while running, some little bit amount of vibrations will be raised with the help of fluctuations of alternate current. So to minimizing with the help of arbor unit. It is arbor is nothing but one of the long length of shaft. So by placing purpose, we are using cutting tool will be placed on arbor. Then next thing, what are the names? How can you classifying of milling machines means? First one is the column and knee type of milling machine. Second one is a fixed bed type. Third one is a planar type of. Fourth one is a special type of milling machines. Again detailed classifications. Column and knee type of milling machines. First one is a hand milling machines. Second one is horizontal milling machine. Next one is plain type of milling machine, universal, omni-universal, and next one is the last one is the vertical type of milling machine. These are the 5 types of milling machines. In this, always hand milling machine or horizontal, both are same. So while horizontal milling machine or horizontal milling machine is both are same while pronouncing, right? So next one is a vertical type of milling machine. Second thing, again next one is coming to the fixed bed type of milling machine. Fixed bed of milling machine is a one of the milling machine, right? Bed will be the fixed, only cutters will be movable, horizontal and vertical. And third one is the vertical planar type of milling machine, also just like the planing machine. Already you know about the planers. That same type of planar machine. Cutter workpiece will be placed on table. Cutters will be moved in horizontal and vertical direction. Almost it is consisting of head will be provided. Spindle head will be provided. Each and every spindle head consisting of one of the tool will be provided for the cutting purpose. So next one is the Universal milling machine. Universal milling machines are consisting, so what we are consisting, rotary type of milling machines, right? Recipro cam type of cam profile type of milling machines, and next one uh, next one is profile milling machines, cam, rotary, planetary. These are the four types of milling machine. Rotary type of milling machine work rotates about vertical blade table. Planetary milling machine consisting for milling external and internal threads of for different purposes. And then next one, cam milling is used for the making profiles, cams on disc. The movement of table controlled by the master cam. So cam will be provided for the then next to profile milling for duplicating the templates, the cutter movement regulated by the guide pin. So it is the best example. Compass box stencils already already used in some maximum times all of students, right? That is the main thing. Next thing, in next class, in this class, so what need to use mainly construction details of milling machine. So what is the main construction details means, what are the parts will be provided, right? Which type of each and what is the main function of each and every part. So what are the tool holding devices used in milling machine. These are the main three topics. So you can observe, this is the figure of a plain milling machine. It is a basic type of milling machine. You can observe always bottom is the always each and every machine consisting of compulsory base will be provided, and next one, it is supported by the column and knee type of column will be one more side, second side knee will be provided. From bottom part to lifting of a table, providing lead screw will be provided, elevating screw. So elevating screw will be provided further to lifting the total entire length, total size of table. So table knee will be lifted, and saddle will be placed on knee, and next one table will be placed on saddle. These three, first one table, and second place is saddle, third one is the knee will be provided. These three are the mainly placed on elevating screw for table movements, table in up and down direction movements. Because of each and every table consisting of in milling, compulsory they have the three directions. One is the longitudinal, second one is the cross, and third one is the vertical direction of table will be provided. Then next one, coming to the in top portion, column, one side column will be provided, and next top portion will be provided for the arbor unit. On arbor, cutting tool cutter is provided, milling cutter will be placed on arbor only, right? Arbor is nothing but one of the long length of shafts for holding the cutter holding purpose. Which type of cutter? Milling cutter which is provided on machine, it is using for the to cutting purpose, right? This is the main construction. Next one is the what are the main parts. We can observe what are the main parts. Each and every milling machine consisting, first one is the base, column, saddle, next one knee, workpiece, work table, overhanging rung, the arbor, spindle, yokes, movable jaws and elevating screw, spacing collars, motor and transmission, swivel voice, next feed crank. These are the main construction of any milling type of machine. So first one is the base. Any machine we need to consisting of base is the main function for that. So base is the main function. So it is manufactured with the help of grey cast iron material, right? Next one, column is provided. Column means each and every machine consisting of column is mandatory. It is the one of the heart to the mission. Mainly column is a heart to the mission, because of how much amount of mechanism is placed for the any machine, it will be completely closed in column only, right? Column, which type of column will be provided, it will be driving mechanism will be placed in column only. Next one is the saddle. So to movement of a table, saddle will be used. Next one is the knee also, to lifting of total entire table lifting purpose we are using knee. Next to work table will be provided, right? Work table will be provided for the working surface, or hanging arm also provided. It is a so overhanging will be provided for the to supporting of cutters. Next, yokes, movable jaws will be provided, elevating screw to lifting purpose. Spacing collars will be placed on arbor unit, right? So arbor unit, the in gap between the spacing collars, cutting tool will be placed. Motor and transmission, each and every machine consisting of motor will be provided. So what is the main function of motor? Motor is nothing but electrical energy is converting into mechanical energy, right? So what is the function of generator? Means generator is mechanical energy is converting into electrical energy. These are the basic differences between the motor and generator, right? Motor and generator. So motor is a function for the to electrical energy is converting into mechanical energy, right? So each and every machine consisting of compulsory motor will be provided. This motor drives with help of chain or another some amount of driving mechanism. Total entire machine will be rotated. So it is converting electrical energy converting into mechanical energy. And next one, swivel bases. Swivel bases means each and every table consisting compulsory 3 directions is provided. Just like base will be provided for the swiveling angular type of operations whenever you need to produce. That is the main thing, right? So that is the main thing. Next, feed cranks. Feed crank means how much amount of feeding giving to the workpiece, how much amount of material depth of cut we need to give. So these are the elevating screws type of feed cranks. How much with help of it is a shape in rotary shape for revolving purpose. So once again we can check with help of first one, base of the any machine base will be provided. First one is then next one, it is made of cast iron, right? Made of grey cast iron material. Always any machine, not only the milling machine, you can take any type of machine, right? Any type of machine using for the to manufacture with help of base material is compulsory. It is a cast iron material, right? Again we need to go some more depth. Means grey cast iron material is the best suited for the to manufacturing of base unit of any type of machine, either milling or drilling or lathe machine. So any type of machine also manufactured with help of only grey cast iron material, right? Made of grey cast iron, it capable to withstand entire weight, right? How much amount of machine weight is provided, that much amount of weight also provided, that much amount of weight also bared with help of grey cast iron material, right? Capable to withstand entire weight of the machine. That is the main thing. Next, support the column at one end. Base is providing maximum size, maximum place, right? It will be provided. Then next one, to withstanding purpose we are using, right? Next one is accommodates coolants. Coolants means it is acting as one of the reservoir also. So how we are selecting, how we are considering reservoir means each and every base of machine consisting of compulsory reservoir also provided. So it means coolant will be a reserving purpose. So how much amount of coolant is provided, it will be placed in only on coolant and base only. So accommodates coolants. So main purpose accommodating of coolants total. So accommodating of coolants means each and every single cut or double cut, whatever may be compulsory, coolant is a mandatory to use the machine for cutting purpose. Because of, so what is the main thing, why we are using the coolant is mandatory means So each and every metal to metal contacted. So metal to metal contacted means in conventional machining process, cutting tool is the one of the metal, and second one is the workpiece also one of the metal. Both are contacted. So always cutting tool has a capable for maximum amount of strength, right? Cutting the any type of material. Okay, fine. Then so both are contacted. So it will be first cut will be easiest way to pass. Then second cut, the workpiece, both workpiece and cutting tool both are heated. While continuation of cutting of any metal, both are contacted continuously. These are the utilizing for the to heating developing. Heat will be developed. So to avoiding the heat developing, so we need to pour the coolant on machining zone. Machining zone means which area will be contacted. Which area will be contacted means workpiece and cutting tool where both are contacted. So contacted means both are contacted, material will be cutted from the workpiece. At the same time, a heat will be developed. Heat will be developed. Heat will be developed. So again, what we need to cool the entire area, right? Again, otherwise, what will happen? Continuation heat will be raised, and next one, it is directly. So what will happen? Melting will be started. So because of continuation of both are cutting tool and workpiece both are contacted. Again, so we need to minimize the heat of machining zone only. Machining zone means not only the workpiece, not only the cutting tool. Which area both are contacted while in working, while in cutting process, right? We need to completely to cool the machining area. Machining zone means which area to be contacted, cutting tool and workpiece, which this area completely cooled with help of coolant is provided. So to recirculating with help of pipe, the coolant will be a reservoir acting as a reservoir as a coolant base is the coolant tank will be provided to supplying with help of motor to pour the machining area. So that is the main thing, it is accommodates the coolants, right? Next one is the column. Column is a casting mounted vertical in the base, because of it is a provided side. And next one in front portion provides guideways to support the knee, right? Front portion provides guideways to support knee. Next one, overhanging arm is held on top. So on column, overhanging arm also provided. Overhanging arm means harbor unit. It houses housing driving mechanism, spindle and table feed. So always column is the maximum main heart of the machine, right? It houses the driving machine. It is housing entirely inside the driving machine will be provided for the spindle and table feed. Table, how much amount of feed will be giving. So total will be controlled in only in column only, right? Overhanging will be held on its top. That is the overarm is provided. Overarm is provided for the to holding of cutting tool. That is the main thing, right? Overhanging arm is provided. The driving mechanism spindle and table feed, right? Next one, these are the only one type of universal type of milling machine. You can observe each and every point, each and every part of machine. So first one, always base is the common for the any type of machine, and that elevating screw will be provided, and next swivel base will be provided for the swiveling of while workpiece in working time. Next movable jaw, next overarm, and top portion always overarm is provided for the to holding, right? This is the main thing. Next one is the saddle. Saddle always placed on knee only. So provides crossfit to the crossfit for the work by moving aware towards the face of the column. All right. So how much amount of feed will be provided? So moving away towards the face of the column only. Next, machined and ground to on the top support to the workpiece, right? That is the main thing. The next one, saddle. After that saddle, next one goes to the knee. Next main component in machine is the knee, right? So a gray cast iron structure attached to the face of the column moves the slides, right? Right, table can be moved up and down, support the saddle and trap, right? Knee will be provided for the next one is the work table, right? What is the main function to supporting of workpieces? Workpiece are always placed on tables, right? It's a consisting of T slots will be provided on list top of direct mounting on workpiece. If direct mounting means, so workpiece uneven sizes of workpiece like C shape or Z shape or any type of another type of missions, easiest way to hold directly with help of T slots. So that is the main thing. T slots are provided on top of the direct mounting of work, provides lateral feed, longitudinal feed, and next one capable to withstand the cutting edges, cutting loads. Next, facilitates a rigid clamping mechanism, right? These are the main thing. Next one is the overarm. Overarm is one more type of component. So located on top of knee, so it will be provided top of knee, supports on the cutter holding driving mechanism, provides more rigidity to the machine. The movable jaw and arbor are supported. These are the overarm is the mainly supporting purpose. Next one is the arbor, fixed in a spindle nose, located the cutter position, transmit power to cutter from spindle, right? Mainly, what is the main function of arbor? Available in different sizes and shapes, right? Fixed in a spindle nose, right? Next, located in the cutter positions, right? Transmit power to cutter from spindle, available in different sizes. Arbor will be provided. Next one is the spindle. So spindle also it is receiving purpose. Spindle, it receives power from motor throughout gears, holes, harbor and drive filters. Spindle is the main function, rotated high speeds in different ranges, so providing. Next one is the yoke, clamped to the guideway provided over the hanging beam, support the arbor at number of sections and ensures vibrations, right? Free machining is just way to machining. It houses bearings on which arbor is mounted, right? These are the main thing. Once check your figure. Next one is the figure. Once check. So this is the figure, vertical type of milling machine. Also it is a column and knee type of milling machine. So right, this is the column and knee type of milling machine. You can observe. So first one is the base, second one is the knee, the third saddle, table, spindle, milling head, overarm, column, right? These are the main parts of vertical milling machine. In that, workpiece always placed on table. The cutter will be movable. Only cutter will be easy movable. Then next one, elevating screw. So elevating screw will be provided for the located top of the base. So support the knee. Total entire knee will be placed on only a knee. Ensures free elevations of knee on the guideways, right? Ensures free elevation. So elevation means free elevation of T guideways. Also improves the rigidity of machine. Okay. Also the rigidity of machine. Elevating screw, it will be present base. Next is spacing collar, right? Spacing collar means multiple cutters in different sections and arbor can be placed with spaces. So spaces will be provided each and every cutter while after completing. So compulsory placing the whenever you need maximum amount of work with different type of cutters in single arbor. Always we can collars will be provided for the to placing of uh, to placing of spaces available in different lengths and available lo use. Next one is the driving mechanism. Driving supplies the driving torque to the spindle in a particle and other mechanisms of the machine. Transmission done through gears and belts are housed. Coolant supply, lubricating oil, circulation and feed. Uh, auto feed needs power, right? So that is the main thing, driving mechanism. Next one is the swivel wise, right? Swivel wise, it provides the rotation on the table in a horizontal plane, a feature of universal milling, right? Swivel base, it's located by the located below the table with the angular graduations, right? Located with a table with the angular graduation, clockwise and counterclockwise rotation possible. These are the main thing, right? Okay, then next one, feed cranks will be provided. Feed cranks are hand driven by the cranks and affected feed movements launched in the class. So these are the three types of feeds and cranks will be provided. Then next tool holding devices. So what are the main components for the tool holding devices? Any machine have compulsory, that question will be raised. Each and every machine consisting maximum amount of consisting arbor, collects, adapters, spring collets. These are the main, right? First one is the arbor. Arbor is one end of the arbor is tapered and fits the sockets in the spindle nose where it is secured by means, right? It is secured by means, right? Next collets. Collets is the first one is the arbor, each and everything, right? Cutter with a board center can be mounted in arbor position by spacing collars key to provide positive drive, right? Alright, next arbor is supported at the other end by yoke. So arbor one side is the fixed, right? One more side is used for the to utilizing wireless. Does not suitable for that. Next one is arbor supported by the other end by the yoke. Next two lengths of spindle front end fit in the two slots, the arbor, and thus rotates later in spindle. These are the tool holding device. Always we can observe arbor, right? So total spacing collars will be provided. Final got tartar unit, arbor unit nut, so provided for the tool holding. Next, these are the main parts for this. Then next these are the topics. Okay, next tool holding purpose adapter will be provided, right? Adapter will be provided, so I went there, right? Adapter is attached to spindle by draw bolt, directly bolt on it. Next one, it is used on milling machines to mount cutters that cannot be mounted on a arbor, right? These are the main. Next one, spring collets. Spring check is special type of adapter used to secure straight shank cutters. Always heavy amount of size of collecting, right? The front end is tapered and threaded, right, in a room, right? The stock shank is introduced to the cylindrical hole, right? The tool shank is mounted in a cylindrical hole. Whenever the nut is tightened, the split jaw grips shank firmly, it will be maximum touch will be provided. These are the topic, right? Thank you. I hope already I think maximum amount of students I'm expecting is just